Can you do it again? Wow. Do it on the carpet, okay? Not on the wood. Can you go do it over in front of the table? Wow. Did you bump your head?
Yeah.
You okay?
Only on the carpet.
Yeah, only on the carpet. You want,
This.
you want to do another one over there? No, don't do it there. Go do it by Zena. Perfect. Do it again by Zena. Do it again.
I broke that.
You bumped that. Try it again. You getting tired? I think you're getting tired. Can you say, perfect. Can you say bye-bye, everybody?
Bye-bye, everybody.
Smile and say cheese.
Cheese.
No, look at the camera when you say cheese.
Cheese.
Bye-bye, everybody.
That's the carpet.
You're silly. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Thomas. Say bye-bye.